Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize the controls menu on this watch. So let's get started. And first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu. So press and hold the light button and the menu will open. And as you can see here we have some shortcuts for different functions of the watch. And we can remove the shortcuts, we can reorder them, so that's how you basically customize this menu. So first press and hold the up button to open the additional menu, and here we have controls options. And we have add controls, reorder controls, and remove controls. First let's add one, so tap on add controls, it will show you the list of controls you can add. For example, I'm gonna add the calculator, and let's say maybe brightness as well. And then you can go back, like this, and if you go back to the controls menu, the icons should be added, and we have the calculator and we have the brightness as well. And if you tap on calculator, it will open the calculator for you, and if you tap on the brightness, it will allow you to adjust the brightness of the screen. We can also reorder the icons, so if you open the controls options, tap on reorder controls, you can select the control, for example brightness, by pressing the start button, and then you can move it through the menu and place it in the place you want it to be in, for example here, and then press the start again to place it, or back button, my bad. And then we have the remove controls. So if you want to remove some of the icons, you find the icon you want to remove, and press start button and then back button, and if you go back, the changes should be applied, the brightness is here and the calculator is gone. And that's how you customize the controls menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.